पाकिस्तान ने कहा है कि अफगानिस्तान में मुकीम दहशतगर्द ग्रुप्स को गैर कानूनी असलहे तक रसाई इलाकाई अमन के लिए संगीन खतरा है। अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा की सलामती कौंसिल में पाकिस्तान के मुस्तकिल मंदूब आसिम इफ्तिखार अहमद ने कहा कि दहशतगर्द तंजीमें अफगानिस्तान से खुलेआम कार्रवाइयाँ कर रही हैं। दहशतगर्द गिरोहों को खित्ते के एक बड़े तखरीबी किरदार की माली और अमली मदद हासिल है। पाकिस्तान को अफगानिस्तान में जदीद असलहा और गोला बारूद के ज़खायर की मौजूदगी पर गहरी तशवीश है। बैनुल-अक़वामी बरादरी अफगानिस्तान में दहशतगर्द गिरोहों को गैर कानूनी असलहे तक रसाई से रोकने के लिए इक़दाम करे। आलमी बरादरी अफगान अबूरी हुकाम को अपनी जिम्मेदारियों और वादों पर अमल दरामद का पाबंद बनाए।
Pakistan is seriously concerned about the presence of stockpiles of sophisticated arms and ammunition in Afghanistan, as noted in findings of the Secretary General's reports. These sophisticated weapons pose a direct threat to neighboring countries. We also have credible information of attempts to smuggle these arms to neighboring countries for terrorist activities. Weapons confiscated at the Pakistan-Afghanistan border are traced back to stockpiles of weapons left behind by foreign forces in Afghanistan and illegal weapons being sold across black markets in Afghanistan. The movement of unmarked or unregistered weapons across the international border sustain and aid non-state armed groups, terrorist networks, and criminal gangs, undermining regional security and stability. We are also deeply concerned at the acquisition and use of these mostly abandoned modern and potent weapons by terrorist groups based in Afghanistan, which continue to pose serious challenge to peace and security in Pakistan and the broader region. Terrorist entities including ISIL-K and TTP, Fitna al-Khawarij, a UN-listed terrorist organization, and the BLA and Majid Brigade, which operate with impunity from Afghanistan, enabled by external financing and support of a principal destabilizing actor in the region, have used these weapons against Pakistani civilians and law enforcement agencies, leading to the loss of thousands of innocent lives. We urge stronger international efforts to prevent access of illicit arms to armed terrorist groups in Afghanistan and to ensure that the Afghan interim authorities adhere to their international obligations and commitments in that regard.